Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a coffee shop website shop using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on the top left to the product section, and here we're going to click on add products and we're going to start uploading our products. For starters, I'm going to put my coffee beans bag, and here for the description we can either write a description ourselves or we can just use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate a descriptions. For example, I'm going to write coffee beans bag. I'm going to click on generate, and as you can see, Shopify is going to give us a description. Now here we can either choose to generate a description again, or we can just keep this one. I'm just going to click on keep, and as you can see, the description is now going to be pasted over here. Here on the media section, we are going to choose an image for our product. For example, I'm going to choose the one for the coffee beans, and below our image you can see that we have a category section. Now usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we click over here, you can see that we can change it if we so wanted. Here for the pricing, for example, I'm going to put that I'm going to charge 10,000 pesos for our coffee bean bag, and the cost per item is going to be around 7,000 pesos. This would give us a 3,000 pesos profit at a 30% margin. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because I'm not going to keep track of inventory. And in case we are going to do any shipping, here we also have a weight section to apply a weight to our product. Now, if we go over here, we also have a product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. Here for collections, make sure to add your product to your homepage collection so that it can be displayed there. Now here for tags, for example, we can add coffee, and as you can see now coffee would be one of the tags for our product. Now once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom right and we are going to click on save. As you can see, if we go back, now we would have our first product uploaded. Now if I go over here on the top right and click on add product again, I'm going to be able to keep uploading products to my online store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload all of the products that I'm going to use, and then I'll be back with you guys. So once we are done uploading all of our products, you can see here that I have added an espresso coffee, an iced coffee, and also a latte coffee. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be our theme. Here on the bottom you can see that Shopify is going to give us a lot of different free themes, and if we click over here on visit theme store, it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Now here we have a lot more themes that we can change to, but for me I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, I'm just going to click on customize and we're going to start changing and customizing these sections of our website. Now you can see over here that the sections are going to be outlined by a blue line, and over here on the top left we're going to be able to see the name of the section. If we click on one of these sections and go to the right, we are going to have a lot of different options to customize it. For example, here is my image banner. I'm going to click on select image. I'm going to add an image and I'm going to select an image to be my banner. Here, if I click on done, you can see that the image for our banner has now changed. Now there are a lot of different options to further customize our sections, so feel free to play with them if you so wanted. But for me, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change here our heading. So on the right, I'm going to write, for example, welcome to my coffee shop. And as you can see, the text has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. We're going to go here on the left to the template and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options, for example, featured collection, featured product, collection list, etc. But for me, I'm just going to choose a featured product to be displayed, and you can see right over here a new section has appeared. Now, if we click on it and we go to the right, we're going to be able to select a product to be displayed. For me, I'm going to choose my coffee bean bag. And as you can see right over here, now our product is going to be displayed here on our website. Let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to change the color scheme to a dark one. And as you can see here, the background for this specific section has now changed to a dark theme. We can also add sections to our footer and our header if we so wanted. For example, here in our footer we have custom liquid, and we can also add an email sign up. And here on our header we can also add a custom liquid, and we can add also a announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be this display right here. You can see that here it says my store. Now this thing is going to display our store name. So if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes up until now. We're going to exit, and we're going to go back to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and here we're going to change the name of our store. For example, I'm going to put coffee shop. We're going to click on save, and to make sure that everything is set up just the way we wanted, we are going to go over here, and instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see right over here on our header, the name has now changed and the new one is being in display. Now, if we can go down to make sure that we have set up everything just the way we wanted. We have customized every section, and once we are done checking our website, we are going to go back to the home page of Shopify so I can show you a very interesting section. Now, this is going to be the analytics and marketing section. This, guys, is going to be a really important section for us because it's going to tell us our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different other things, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information which is going to really help us customize and manage our business and our website all from the same place. Lastly, the last thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the discount section. Here, if we click here and add discount, I'm going to choose, for example, an amount of products. We are going to be able to customize our own discount. Here, for starters, we can either choose to write a code ourselves, such as, for example, coffee 101, or we can just click here and make Shopify generate a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For me, I'm going to choose a percentage discount. It's going to be, for example, a 10% discount. And below it, we can choose which collections it's going to apply to. Here, I'm going to choose my homepage. I'm going to click on add. And as you can see, now this discount is going to apply to my homepage products. Here we can also further customize our discounts. For example, we can choose the minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses that it has, the combinations, and here on the end we can also set an expiration date for our discount. Here we're going to click on set end date. Now today is the 14th, so for example, let's say that we want our discount to have a 1 week lifetime, so we're going to choose the 21. Once we are done customizing our discount, we're just going to click here on save discount, and we would have our discount ready for either post on social media, gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and also check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado,